Hey guys, found an interesting thing. Um, Clutch pedal, TL, 3rd gen TL V6, obviously 6-speed. Um, Clutch pedal acting weird, wouldn't go in gear from time to time, you have to press a couple times. Well, here's what I found is cracked actual plate. As you can see, this weakens everything and makes the pedal flex, which putting everything down the road is not making the slave, here you can see, it's not making the master cylinder work properly. So I guess just a FYI type of thing. If you guys have clutch issues, even after you changed master and slave and there's still issues, I would look for damage, for stress cracks like this. The second one I've seen, first one had 180,000 miles, this one had 300,000 miles. But it does happen. Hope it helps somebody. Thanks.